this film, we had a lot of exterior locations. We're in Iceland and London. A lot of the sets were built outside. The whole scope of it was far larger than anything we'd seen before.
This is our first day of shooting, and we're here at Stonehenge. A bit chilly, but beautiful.
This Thor is called the Dark World, and that is the world of the Dark Elves, and we needed to find a place that could fill that role, and Iceland, with its black volcanic sand and its amazing landscapes, is doing that for us.
In Iceland, you get such scale. It's bigger than your imagination.
This movie is a chance to be in worlds we've never been in before, and to try and bring them to the audience in a way that will be real for them, and compelling and mysterious.
Mio Dio. The sets are so incredible. It's really fun to see the craftsmanship that goes into it.
It just gives you a sense of space when you're sitting in a room like this. I mean, I don't know how many pillars there are in here, but this is the realm of the gods, for sure.
The whole world that they've created from the sets and the locations has an epic feel to it.